SolarYacht owners can call our AI assistant to ask how to winterize the boat.
Hi, my name is Sunny. I am your SolarYacht AI assistant. How may I help you?
Hi Sunny, please create a checklist how to winterize my solar yacht.
Floating on the water, I feel so free. On this houseboat yacht, it's the place to be. 360 degrees. The view is oh so fine, luxurious living.
I am Mariana and I'm living aboard a solar yacht for the past 5 years now with Arek, my partner, and also the founder of SolarYacht, and our daughter Marina, which is 3 years old. We are all about living and sharing a sustainable, luxurious yacht life, exploring lakes, lagoons, and rivers, all powered by the sun. Our solar yachts feels just like a modern penthouse on the water, combining luxury with eco-friendly technology.
SolarYacht owners can call our AI assistant to ask how to winterize the boat. Let's call Sunny together.
Hi, my name is Sunny. I am your SolarYacht AI assistant. How may I help you?
Hi Sunny, please create a checklist how to winterize my solar yacht.
Secure the yacht properly. Dock the boat in a safe, designated marina or mooring spot. Ensure ropes, fenders, and bumpers are in place to protect the yacht. Double-check all hatches, windows, and doors are tightly closed. Protect the boat from weather. Use a protective cover to shield the boat from snow, rain, and ice. Remove any items from the deck that could be damaged by winter conditions. Remove snow from the roof. Winterize the water systems. Drain the water tank, pipes, and pumps to prevent freezing. Add antifreeze to the plumbing system as needed. Turn off the water heater and other water-related appliances. Monitor the boat during winter. Arrange for regular checkups or monitoring by a professional or trusted local service. Check grid power and internet connection for remote monitoring systems. Daily online checks of SoC battery levels, water intrusion, and temperature. Prepare the electrical and solar systems. Turn off all non-essential power systems and electronics. Check and secure the solar panels to ensure they are clear of debris and functioning. Verify the battery system is fully charged and properly monitored for maintenance. Clean and organize the interior. Clean the interior to avoid mold, mildew, or pests. Remove food, trash, and any items that might attract insects or rodents. Store linens, cushions, and other fabrics in a dry, protected place. Maintain engine and mechanical systems. Lift the engines up out of the water. If applicable, winterize the engine by changing the oil, checking the coolant, and protecting components against freezing. Grease and lubricate moving parts to prevent corrosion. Perform a safety check. Inspect fire extinguishers, safety equipment, and first aid kits to ensure they are functional and up to date. Double-check bilge pumps, alarms, and emergency systems. Prepare for your return. Make a checklist for what to check and service when you return. Schedule any maintenance or cleaning for springtime. By following these steps, your solar yacht will remain safe, protected, and ready for new adventures come warmer days.
So that's it. We'll keep you posted on our AI assistant.